All right, guys. Well, we just finished up. There's Mir and Shay finished cleaning up. And let's see what we got done. There's some of the locals hanging out at the Tiki bar. And there it is, guys. We are done. 3 days. 3 days and 4 hours. All right, so we got 19. There's Daniel. 19 by 19 Tiki hut with Endura Reed Viva 3.0. And this is that big ass bar you guys been watching me build in the shop over the last couple months. There's Walt. Big hat. Oh, what's that, Walt? Walt, why are you walking away from me? What is that?
It's water for me.
Oh, what's that in your other hand?
One of these is for you.
Oh, water for me too, I guess. All right, cool. All right, guys. Well, we are done. Not sure who did this. I got one on every post. So, basic. What's that?
You got a mirror light already?
Yeah, yeah. Quit crying. All right. So, oh yeah, check it out. Tiki Kev coasters. All right. Let me take you guys behind the bar, and like I said, this is the one you guys been watching me build in the shop for the last, I don't know, month and a half. But it's all together. You've seen it in pieces in the shop. It's a little dark under there. There's no lighting yet. But the bar is 16 by 12. We got the center island in here for bottles and all kinds of stuff. And you got your ice bin. There is a beer meister going in there. I believe with 6 taps. Everything's all wired. The bar is put back together. Lower bar top there. Going to be a beer refrigerator right back here. There's our panel. Everything's been wired. I think he's turning the power on now. And on this side there's going to be another beer cooler. And then there's the roof. Let me turn around here so you guys could see. There we go. All right. All right, guys, let me know what you think. We're exhausted. We got into the town Wednesday. It's Saturday, probably around 1 o'clock. So we got a lot of work done in 3.5 days. So let's go down here. This is the deck it's on. Yeah, if I sound tired, I am tired. All right. Here's a look at it from the yard. Ooh, the locals left. All right, what about down here? Let's see what it looks like from the road.
Why not tonight?
There we go. So that looks pretty sharp. No Tiki Kev bar stools, just I got 4 backs staring at me right now. Oh, there we go. Walt's walking away. Mirror's turning around. Shay, where's that Tiki Kev hat and sunglasses? Look like a movie star.
I was trying to be on time today.
All right, guys. Well, let me know what you guys think of this. It was a great install. This was a really fun trip, but I'm glad to have that bar out of the shop. Let's go back real quick. But love your comments. And if you like my content, please like, follow, share. And yes, I know, I sound exhausted. All right, so let's take a walk around the outside of the bar. Oh, and this, oh, okay. Not sure if you guys saw this, but I have the boat cleats on the outside of the bar for purses and all that. They go all the way around, all the way around the bar. There's outlets around the bar for cell phones, computers, or whatever the patrons want to plug in. All right, so that wraps it up. There's Jerry. What do you think, Jerry?
I didn't show any breakers.
We didn't trip any breakers?
Must have done something right,
Well,
you or me, or...
That outlet I let Walt put in, he must have done a good job.
Now, how do we test it?
Plug it, okay, right at the end of the bar. I'm going to keep the camera rolling now. Go to the end of the bar, plug that rope lighting in.
What? This is where Jerry's going to find out if he did a good job or not.
Go on, baby.
Nope, yeah, nothing.
Nothing?
Are the breakers off in this one? I didn't even look.
Oh, we put the trim piece on. You can't open it. Got to take the trim piece back. Yeah, the breakers probably. Did you?
Off. I didn't turn them on after.
They were off when we put them in.
Shit.
Son of a bitch! Now we got to
that's
keep
an
this
easy
rolling.
fix.
Yeah,
Okay, we'll take it.
And my camera showing how dumb I am.
yeah.
There's a drill right there.
Does it have a Phillips head on it? They're Phillips head.
It does not.
No. All right. Well, I will attach the next video when we see if it works or not.
What do you think?
That's cool. Is that where your kegerator's going?
It is.
Jerry, you didn't say. I needed you to say how nice this is on camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is absolutely awesome, and thank you, Tiki.
Okay,
Kevin, and
perfect.
It's true.
Perfect. No
Great
lawsuits.
job. Leave now before I plug in my lights.
Yeah. Or before it rains.
Yeah, there's beer in that cooler, Uncle Mike.
All right.
Help yourself. There's
Till
blue
the
light
next
and
video,
Miller
which
light.
will be attached right after this.